Hi TVS, welcome back to my new video. In this we will see the advancements which are made in the advanced course finder plugin. So we have updated the latest versions. You can update your plugin, so you can download the updated version. Right now we have not included automatic update. Second thing, we have gave you course comparison option, so that is also gave, and also we have gave you some colors which you can add in this, an option kind of thing, so that the feel and look will be same as the theme which you are using in WordPress. We have also gave you the options to display the titles and all. So if you want to use the titles which are generated by the theme plugin, you can use, otherwise you can drop them, uncheck them. You can also select some partnered universities. If you have any partnered university and want to display only those universities, yes, that can be done. So these are the basic updates which we have gave in this recent release. So interested people can download it from the Google Drive link which is given in the description below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.